It's been 3 days since that storm, and with these freezing temperatures, it doesn't look like this snow is going anywhere. And neither are some residents in Allentown and Mount Washington. They're dealing with snow up to their tires and gnarly roads. It was an early morning for Jamie Sawalski as she dug her car out yet again.
I spent an hour twice yesterday and then an hour on Monday.
We came across Jamie in Live Drive 4 this morning while we were checking out the roads in Mount Washington. Her street, Winton, basically impassable.
My car just fishtails everywhere. The huge hill, there's a hill up to this road, and if you leave, it's hills either way, that way too. They didn't touch those till yesterday. I haven't tried to back down. It's not happening.
She says the first plow came through at midnight, but even so, she still can't make it out. We even got stuck trying to back down the road.
Now we're a little stuck, I'd say. Now we're a little stuck, Dave and I, but it's fine. Everything's fine, guys. We're safe.
After 2 neighbors helped us out of our sticky situation, we made our way to Allentown. While the roads were a little bit better, the struggle was still being felt.
It's like a chunk of ice, so.
Chloe Romez hasn't been able to leave her home since that storm hit.
It's tough. I thought by now that it might be a little bit better. I'd just like to kind of be able to move my car and go about my, doing my daily tasks and things like that.
Both her and Jamie just want a better game plan moving forward when it comes to snow removal.
You can park on a certain side of the street and then they plow that side and then you can kind of move back, something like that. I would hope they kind of figure out.
I understand they had to concentrate on the main roads. They had to get people going in the beginning. But after that, I feel they kept making passes over those same roads and just ignored this area altogether.
For now, covering Allegheny County and Pittsburgh's Allentown neighborhood, Ava Rash, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.